babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Brown Girl Bella here, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. And today I'm going to bring you a special treat. This is an unboxing from Glow Recipe. That's right, your girl is the latest addition to the Glow Squad, and I got my first Glow Recipe box and I want to share it with my babes. So grab a snack and come on back and see what I got. Hello babes, if it's your first time here, welcome. This is Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. If you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so. Just tap that red bell and turn it to gray, and then make sure you tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. For those returning, welcome back, my Bella Brigade. Now, let's dive into the Glow Recipe Glow Box. Your girl is on the squad. That's right, I'm on the Glow Recipe squad. This is my first Glow Box, and so I wanted to open it up with my Bellas. All right, here we go. So this is what it looks like inside. And I'll pull everything out so you can see what I got. So first of all, what intrigued me to get this box was all of the beautiful pink and green that was in here. You know how much I love pink and green, don't you? I think you do. Here is the Glow Recipe card that came in the box. It says Glow Recipe, Glow in Style with our limited edition collection of Glow Gang merch. So inside the box there are the midi size. So this is not full size, and I'm kind of bummed about that because I do have a small sample size that I'm using now of the same product. So I thought this was full size. It's not, but it will do. It is a midi size of the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It retails for $22. It is smooth and perfect for skin overnight with this luxurious, bouncy, breathable sleeping mask. It has watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and AHA to work gently to exfoliate and clarify the skin. I can attest that this is a great mask. I use it at night and I go to sleep with it, and then I wake up and I wash my face, and I find that my pores just soak this product up overnight, and I wake up in the morning, my pores are refreshed, they're clean, and then once I wash my face, it looks so youthful and glowing. So I highly recommend this sleeping mask if you don't have it, to pick it up. And you can even pick up a small size like this for like $10, I think, and try it out for yourself. The next thing that I got is something really cute. It says it's Hydrate and Glow 24/7 reusable glass straw set. So it's reusable, sustainable glass straws so you can hydrate and glow 24/7. It includes 4 glass straws, a cleaner brush, and a travel pouch. Isn't this cute? It comes in 4 colors. It has yellow, pink, blue, and green. So we love this. And then of course it has the pouch in it and the brush cleaner. So love that. The next thing I got is the Glow Gang socks. Okay. Do they know me or nah? How cute is this? These socks say add Glow Gang spirit to your favorite pair of kicks with these socks, which peek out above the shoe line and blend with style and comfort. It includes 2 pairs in a quarter silhouette with a watermelon and an avocado embroidery. So So the pink one has the watermelon embroidery, and the green one has the avocado embroidery. Oh, cute! I can't wait to cuddle up with these tonight. And then the last thing that I got in my box, which I really appreciate because I definitely needed them, and it came in this cute bag. Look how cute the bag is. Adorable. They are Glow Gang Plush slippers. Oh my God, how cute are these? And it says glow on one, and then it says gang on the other foot. I don't know if you can see it because it's embroidered into the shoe, but it says glow gang. Get it? Glow gang, glow gang, glow gang, gang gang. I love it. I love it. Let's hear about the slippers. It says, walk on a cloud of comfort with these easy to wear slip-on plush slippers that will hug your feet. It includes a duster bag for travel and safe storage. Duster bag. All right. This was adorable. I'm so glad that I got it. Thank you to the Glow Recipe team for making sure I was in the gang and I got my box. I hope if you ordered this box, you enjoy it as well. Let me know in the comments section. I'm gonna slip on these socks and maybe put on these slippers and go get me a glass of vino while I take off my makeup and put on my watermelon sleeping mask. So until next time, you've been Bellified. Take care and I'll see you soon.